got your ODR. You're gonna click that. You're gonna double click it. I ain't gonna double click it because I already got it clicked. You know what I mean? It's already in my server. It's already in my thing. So, bam. Once you do that, you just close this. You know what I mean? You don't gotta keep it open or nothing. You can close it if you want to. So what I'm about to do first is I'm about to be over some shit. So I'm about to show y'all a lot of shit real quick. So in this interior right here, this is my loud package interior. I'm actually finna make this right now. I'm making this right now. What you got going on is you gotta always have a game mesh and an edible mesh. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click this edible mesh right here. Then you're gonna go down to polygon. That's what they say. Polygon. You're gonna click on this little cube right here. Bam, click that cube. When you click that cube, you scroll down with the mouse in this bracket on the right hand side. Then what you're gonna do is tell me what I'm looking for. Bam. So I'm deleting this. Bam. So I'm about to just do this the whole time. So I'm about to remove this out of my storage. I mean, it's just stuff I was trying to see what I wanted to look like in there. And I noticed that I didn't really want this shit in here because I'm about to make this a real dope ass shop. You know what I mean? So just follow with me. You know what I mean? This is you know what I mean? Some of this right here is you ain't gonna get this step right here without watching this video. You know what I mean? So bam, no, it's not. I mean, it's that easy. You know what I mean? But you want to be careful because you don't want to delete the wrong shit. So you want to always make sure when you click on something and it pop up, that's what you want to pop up. So if you happen to, bam, let's say I deleted the wrong thing, right? All I gotta do is hit Control and Z, and it's gonna pop right back up. So always remember that. Try to limit your steps so you can always Control Z. You know what I mean? So bam, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the delete on my keyboard again like that. And now I'm gonna just keep on clicking through. I'm gonna just keep clicking through these until I get this whole thing gone. You know what I mean? That's what they say, plank wood. Nope, that's the wrong shit. So obviously I know that's the wrong shit. So this is what it is. Wow, it gave me all on me look like. Bam, I got that off of there. It's just like that, man. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do this to all of them. Cause like I said, I got a lot of stuff to delete. So pretty much this video is really showing you how to delete the items out of your MLO that you don't want. That is YDRs and ODRs. So that's what we're covering right now. How to delete out of your MLO. All right, bet. So now that I got that off, you know what I mean? You're going to take this right here, this block, scroll around, look around. I mean, make sure you remove what you wanted to have removed. You know what I mean? I'm actually been thinking about removing that desk and adding another desk. That's nor here or there. So we about to go down into this basement. We're going down into the basement now. Oh, shit. All right, bam. So the next things that I'm finna get up out of this basement, because like I said, it's a weed shop. I'm taking this out of here. So bam. You see?